good day, arters. Check that out.
I know, right, Hart? Doesn't it look familiar?
You know, now that you mention it, it does look oddly familiar.
Oh, Hart, doesn't it look exactly like Yayoi Kusama's obliteration room?
Oh, yeah. You're right. I loved her exhibition. It was full of dots.
That's right, Hart. I think Yayoi Kusama loves dots even more than you do.
You're spot on, Rosie. All this talk about spots and Kusama has given me a great idea for art magic. Let's head to my desk and find out what we need. Hopefully I can find my way in all these spots. This place keeps getting dottier and dottier. Wow, that was a trip. But I made it without bumping into too many things on the way. Let's see what we need for this art magic.
With all these dots nearly everywhere, it feels like everything is totally camouflaged. For this art magic, start by drawing a big shape of your choice in the middle of your page. Next, fill that shape in with a cool pattern. Then, fill the background with a different pattern. Now, color it all in. Any colors you want, make it yours. For an added challenge, try only using 3 colors in your artwork. Let's go!
Cool, Rosie. That looks awesome. Let's grab our things and get started. Okay, step 1. Draw a big shape right in the middle of your paper. I'm starting with my favorite shape. And no, it's not a pizza this time. I think a heart will look perfect for this art magic activity. Kusama's dots are dancing in my mind. They are literally everywhere. So I'm going to fill the inside of my heart with magical little dots. Here's a cool fact. Kusama thought of her dots as suns, moons, and stars. She even said that the Earth is just one little polka dot floating in the huge universe. I'm going to use that as inspiration and fill my heart shape with tiny dots around the bigger dots. Let's see how that turns out. I'm really loving these markers. They keep me honest and give me creative courage. No erasing, no undo button. If I make a mistake, I just turn it into something new, or just keep going. It's such a good creative workout. The drum roll means 1 minute down, 3 to go. I better pick up the pace. I still have a lot more dots to add to my heart. How's your pattern going? I bet you're doing amazing. Keep going. If you are finished with the pattern inside your shape, fantastic. Now wait for me, Speedy. No, just kidding. Go ahead and pick a new pattern and start filling the background around your shape. I'm a tiny bit behind you. Just a few more dots to go. Wherever you are at, keep going. You've got this. We're almost at the 2-minute mark, and I already know exactly what pattern I'm using for my background. I can't wait to show you. A couple of dots over here and a couple of dots over there. And voila, it's all done. Ready to move on to my background now. Oh, there goes our second pumpkin drum roll. Did you know Yayoi Kusama started having hallucinations at a young age? Once she had a vision where friendly pumpkins spoke to her. After that hallucination, Kusama felt deeply connected to pumpkins. Yayoi saw things that other people didn't, and that must have felt confusing or even a little scary sometimes. But she found a way to turn those experiences into art, and I think that's really brave. Can you guess the pattern I'm using for the background? I'm using an overlapping pattern. I saw an old shed on my way to the studio with wooden shingles on the roof, and the textures and irregular repetition really spoke to me. No, not like Kusama's pumpkin spoke to her, but you know, spoke to me. That was the 3-minute mark. 1 more minute to go in our art magic activity. Let's go, we've got this. This is a great art magic exercise. Drawing repetition is really good for your drawing skills. The more you repeat a shape or a line, the stronger your drawing muscle gets. I can feel my drawing muscles stretching. My hands getting a bit tired. If your drawing hand is feeling a bit tired too, take a moment to give it a little shake or a stretch. That's okay. It means we're really working those drawing muscles. I've almost filled the whole page with pattern now, and honestly, I think it looks great. Do you think Yayoi Kusama would dig it? I finished just before the 4-minute mark. How did you go? I'm sure you all did great. Just enough time for a few little cut-ups. Up! And there's the 4th pumpkin. That means time's up for this art magic activity. How did you go, arters? I bet it's great. Now it's time to color in. I'll speed through mine. I'm trying out Rosie's coloring challenge and only using 3 colors: red, pink, and blue. What colors are you going to use?
So cool, Hart. I really love it.
Thanks, Rosie. I'm glad you like it. Hey, do you have any trivia for us?
I sure do, Hart. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe for more Art with Hart. Are you ready? It's time for Rosie's Art Trivia. What artist loves dots more than Hart? Vincent van Gogh, Keith Haring, or Yayoi Kusama? C. Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi Kusama's artwork is unmistakable. It is almost always unified by her repetitive use of dots. What is one reason Yayoi Kusama covers her artwork with dots? To make fun of the modern art world, to calm her very active mind, or as a tribute to her Japanese culture? B. To calm her very active mind. To Kusama, dots weren't just cool shapes to use as patterns. They were her way of calming the hallucinations she had since she was a little child. What did Yayoi's dots represent to her? The infinite cosmos, a bird's eye view of her pumpkin patch, or how awesome she looks in dots? A. The infinite cosmos. Yayoi Kusama imagined her dots as the sun, moon, and stars. When she covered her artworks in dots, she feels like everything, even herself, is melting into the bigger universe. What art element includes dots, hearts, and triangles? A. Line, B. Space, or C. Shape? C. Shape. Shape is an element of design that represents 2D, enclosed, geometric, or organic shapes. Bonus question. What do pumpkins symbolize for Yayoi Kusama? A. Stability, comfort, and modesty. B. Attractiveness, or C. Happy moments in her childhood? All of the above. Yayoi Kusama's connections to pumpkins runs deep. From exploring her family's farm and friendly visions as a child, to her, pumpkins feel simple, steady, and comforting. That is why she loves incorporating them into her artwork. How'd you go, arters? You're basically a Kusama expert now. How did you go, Hart?
I think I did all right, Rosie. But I'm pretty sure the studio's blending in with the cosmos.
The cosmos? What are you talking about, Hart? Oh, I see.
Yeah, you see, Rosie, we better go before we disappear completely.
Yeah, true that, Hart. See you, arters.
Be sure to like and subscribe to support this channel and see when new episodes drop. Thanks for stopping by, and see you next time for more art magic. Bye-bye, everyone.